So having looked at IPv4 addresses, we usually also have to consider something called the subnet mask. When you look at the IPv4 address, there are usually two portions to the IP address, the IPv4 address, but only the subnet mask allows us know what portion is for the network and the portion for the host. So if we were to consider an IPv4 address of, say, 192.168.10.150, this name actually consists of two portions, the network portion of the name and the host portion of the name. The function of the subnet mask is to tell us this. If you have, we have three classes of subnet masks. We have the class A, class B, and class C. So the class A is denoted as 255.0.0.0. The class B is denoted as 255.255.0.0. The class C is denoted as 255.255.255.0. So when we look at these subnet masks, bear in mind we can never have it like this, 255.0.255.255. You never have the 0 before a 255. You would only have it in this fashion, 255, 255, 255, 255, 255, 255. So everywhere we have the 255, that constitutes the network portion of that address, the network portion of the address. Everywhere we have 255. And everywhere you have the 0, that is, I'll give as a wavy sign, the host ID, the host ID, the host ID. So if we were to say that this IP address has a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, effectively that makes it a class C, and we can see this portion will constitute the network ID, and the 0 portion will constitute the host ID. So if we were to say what is the network ID for this IP address, our address would read 192.168.10.0. And if we were to say what is the host ID of this IP address, we will say it is 0.0.0.150.